राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Welcome to Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam Parayana Shikshanam. So we have around 4 more classes left in the webinar, and it has been a wonderful yajna starting this webinar every early morning with all of you. And we have completed 3 components: Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam, Stotram and Prapatti. And yesterday around 50 to 52 of you also chanted in class. So today we should begin with Mangala Shasanam. But before that, I'm going to revise Sri Venkateshwara Stotram once. We're just chanting the entire Stotram. The reason being, many of you told me yesterday that the Stotram video has not been uploaded on YouTube. So I checked with our admin and multimedia teams, and I figured that somehow that part of the session hasn't been recorded completely. Therefore, it couldn't be uploaded on YouTube. So because we don't have it yet on YouTube, I thought I would just quickly revise the Stotram today so that that would be available for you. And then we will move to Mangala Shasanam. As usual, we begin with Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroh Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro. कमलाकुचूचुककुङ्कुमतो नियतारुणितातुलनीलतनो कमलायतलोचनलोकपते विजयी भव वेङ्कटशैलपते सचतुर्मुख षण्मुख पञ्चमुख प्रमुखाखिल दैवतमौलिमणे शरणागत वत्सल सारनिधे परिपालय मां वृषशैलपते अतिवेलतया तव दुर्विषहैरनुवेलकृतैरपराधशतैः भरितं त्वरितं वृषशैलपते परया कृपया परिपाहि हरे अधिवेङ्कटशैलमुदारमतेर्जनताभिमताधिकदानरतात् परदेवतया गदितान्निगमैः कमलादयितान्न परं कलये कलवेणुरवावशगोपवधूशतकोटिवृतात् स्मरकोटिसमात् प्रतिवल्लविकाभिमतात् सुखदात् वसुदेवसुतान्न परं कलये अभिरामगुणाकरदाशरथे जगदेकधनुर्धर धीरमते रघुनायक राम रमेश विभो वरदो भवदेव दया जलधे अवनीतनया कमनीयकरं रजनीकर चारुमुखाम्बुरुहम् रजनीचर राजतमो मिहिरं महनीयमहं रघुराममये सुमुखं सुहृदं सुलभं सुखदं स्वनुजं च सुकायममोघशरम् अपहाय रघुद्वहमन्यमहं न कथञ्चन कञ्चन जातु भजे विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ अहं दूरतस्ते पदाम्भोजयुग्म प्रणामेच्छयागत्य सेवां करोमि सकृत्सेवया नित्यसेवाफलं त्वं प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ प्रभो वेङ्कटेश अज्ञानिना मया दोषान् शेषान् विहितान् हरे क्षमस्वत्वं क्षमस्वत्वं शेषशैलशिखामणे. So this would be available for you for practice. The recording will be uploaded. Now let us move to Sri Venkateshwara Mangalashasanam. On 30th, that is 30th June will be the concluding session. We will have a special session on that day. So we are going to have a special guest who is going to join us and address all of you. So request all of you to please join. The details regarding the session, etc., I will send it to you in due course. But please keep in mind that on 30th, we will have a special concluding session. So inviting all of you for that. And also please share it with your friends and family who might be attending the webinar also. It would be on YouTube Live, and of course, here also in class, you could join with the Zoom link which is sent to you. So we are going to have someone who is very closely associated with Tirumala temple and TTDs. The details will be shared with you soon. Let us begin Sri Venkatesha Mangalashasanam. Smaller verses. So Anushtubh Chandaha, like we were discussing the other day, just 8 letters per pada. Pada is 1 quarter. So you just have 8 letters or syllables per pada. Vibha, please unmute and share your video.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Shriyah Kantaya Kalyananidhaye
Shriyah Kantaya Kalyananidhaye Shriyah Kantaya Kalyananidhaye
Nidhayerthinam
Nidhayerthinam
Shri Venkatanivasaya
Shri Venkatanivasaya Shri Venkatanivasaya
Srinivasaya Mangalam
Srinivasaya Mangalam Srinivasaya Mangalam
Shriyaha Kantaya. So Visarga followed by Ka. Jihva Muliya. So we chant it as Shriyah Kantaya. We don't say Shriyaha completely. The Visarga not complete here. While chanting together, we chant it as Shriyah Kantaya. Kalyana Nidhaye is one word. So please don't pause Kalyana. Kalyana Nidhaye is one word. Nidhayer Thinam. Dha and Thi. This S-like symbol is Avagraha Chinha, or it denotes Purva Rupa Sandhi. Shri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. Shriyah Kantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhayerthinam
Shriyah Kantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhayerthinam Shriyah Kantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhayerthinam
Shri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Shri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम्
श्रियः कान्ताय कल्याणनिधये निधयेऽर्थिनाम् श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम्
श्रियः कान्ताय कल्याणनिधये निधयेऽर्थिनाम् श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम्
Next one also, Vibha. Lakshmi savibrhamalok
लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोक लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोक
Subhru vibhramachakshuše
शुभ्रू विभ्रमचक्षुषे शुभ्रू विभ्रमचक्षुषे
चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां
चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
First two lines we chant together. Lakshmi savibhrhamaloka subhru vibhrama chakshushe. So bha, bhra, bhru and bhra again all are mahapranas. Chakshushe sarvalokanam venkateshaya mangalam. Lakshmi savibhrhamaloka subhru vibhrama chakshushe.
लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोक शुभ्रू विभ्रमचक्षुषे लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोक शुभ्रू विभ्रमचक्षुषे
चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोक शुभ्रू विभ्रमचक्षुषे चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोक शुभ्रू विभ्रमचक्षुषे चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Now we will move to the next verse. Shivani. Ram. Possible to share your webcams, Shivani? Good. Shri Venkatadri Shringagra
श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशृङ्गाग्र श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशृङ्गाग्र
मङ्गलाभरणाङ्घ्रये
मङ्गलाभरणाघ्रये मङ्गलाभरणाघ्रये
मङ्गलानां निवासाय
मङ्गलानां निवासाय मङ्गलानां निवासाय
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
There is some slight lag, Shivani. We are not able to hear. Maybe because of the net connectivity. It's okay. We will try this verse and see, and then we'll decide. श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशृङ्गाग्रमङ्गलाभरणाङ्घ्रये
श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशृङ्गाग्रमङ्गलाभरणाङ्घ्रये श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशृङ्गाग्रमङ्गलाभरणाङ्घ्रये
मङ्गलानां निवासाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
मङ्गलानां निवासाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलानां निवासाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
So here the first two lines we chant together. Shri Venkatadri Shringagra Mangalabharananghraye. We don't pause there. Bha and Gha are Mahapranas. Mangalanam Nivasaya Venkateshaya Mangalam. Now the entire verse together. Shri Venkatadri Shringagra Mangalabharananghraye Mangalanam Nivasaya Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Shri Venkatadrishrangagramangalaabharananghraye Mangalanam Nivasaya Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Shivani, there is some disturbance in your when you're chanting, a lot of disturbance is heard. So let's see. If not possible, then it's okay, you can join tomorrow. Maybe because you're traveling, a lot of disturbance is heard. Okay, so it will be a little difficult for others to follow with the disturbance. Shri Venkatadri Shringagra Mangalabharananghraye Mangalanam Nivasaya Venkateshaya Mangalam. Next verse, Vibha. Please. Yes, unmute and share your webcam. Sarvavayava Saundarya
Sarvavayava Saundarya Sarvavayava Saundarya
Sampada Sarvachetasam
Sampada Sarvachetasam Sampada Sarvachetasam
Sada Sammohanayastu
Sada Sammohanayastu Sada Sammohanayastu
Venkateshaya Mangalam
Venkateshaya Mangalam Venkateshaya Mangalam.
So these two quarters, these two padas are chanted together. Sarvavayava Saundarya Sampada Sarvachetasam Sada Sammohanayastu Venkateshaya Mangalam. Sarvavayava Saundarya Sampada Sarvachetasam
Sarvavayava Saundarya Sampada Sarvachetasam Sarvavayava Saundarya Sampada Sarvachetasam
Sada Sammohanayastu Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Sada Sammohanayastu Venkateshaya Mangalam. Sada Sammohanayastu Venkateshaya Mangalam.
The entire verse. Sarvavayava Saundarya Sampada Sarvachetasam Sada Sammohanayastu Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Sarvavayava Saundarya Sampada Sarvachetasam सदा सम्मोहनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्।
Okay, next verse. नित्याय निरवध्याय
नित्याय निरवध्याय नित्याय निरवध्याय
सत्यानन्दचिदात्मने
सत्यानन्दचिदात्मने सत्यानन्दचिदात्मने
सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Okay, now these two lines, Sarvantaratmane Shrimadvenkateshaya Mangalam, we chant together. Nityaya Niravadhyaya Satyananda Chidatmane
नित्याय निरवध्याय सत्यानन्दचिदात्मने नित्याय निरवध्याय सत्यानन्दचिदात्मने
सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Now the entire verse. Nityaya Niravadhyaya Satyanandachidatmane Sarvantaratmane Shrimadvenkateshaya Mangalam.
नित्याय निरवध्याय सत्यानन्दचिदात्मने सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
स्वतः सर्वविदे
स्वतः सर्वविदे स्वतः सर्वविदे
सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिणे
सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिणे सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिणे
सुलभाय सुशीलाय
सुलभाय सुशीलाय सुलभाय सुशीलाय
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
These two lines, actually this word Sarva Shaktaye is one word, so that word we should not split. Svatas Sarva Vide is the first word, second word Sarva Shaktaye, next Sarva Sheshine. Sulabhaya, Bha is Mahaprana. Svatas Sarva Vide Sarva Shaktaye Sarva Sheshine
स्वतः सर्वविदे सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिणे स्वतः सर्वविदे सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिणे
सुलभाय सुशीलाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
सुलभाय सुशीलाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् सुलभाय सुशीलाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Now the entire verse. Svatah sarvavide sarvashaktaye sarvasheshine sulabhaya sushilaya venkateshaya mangalam
स्वतः सर्वविदे सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिणे सुलभाय सुशीलाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Now we'll move to the next verse. Parasmai Brahmane.
परस्मै ब्रह्मणे परस्मै ब्रह्मणे
पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने.
पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने
प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय.
प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
So Parasmai Brahmane Purnakamaya Paramatmane. So Purnakamaya is one word. Therefore, that word we cannot split in between. Parasmai Brahmane Purnakamaya Paramatmane.
परस्मै ब्रह्मणे पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने परस्मै ब्रह्मणे पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने
प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्. प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
These are correct. You could either stop after Paratattvaya, pause, or you could, without a pause, you can chant. So once you get comfortable with chanting other chandas like Shardula Vikriditam and Vasanta Tilaka and others, this is very simple. It's just very short lines. So one pada is 1 quarter. So each line you see on the screen is one pada, and each pada just has 8 syllables. So if you see Parasmai Brahmane Purna, 8. So each has 8, 8, 8, 8. And of course, there are other rules like Panchamam Laghu Sarvatra, Saptamam Dvichaturthayoho, but we don't need to go into all that. Those who are interested in knowing about each chandas more, please take up the Chandaha course. You can sign up for it. It is a completed webinar course, but offered by Dr. Soumya Krishnapur. It is there on Sanskrit from home. So please take that course. You'll get to know more in detail about each kind of chandas. Now the entire verse. Parasmai Brahmane Purnakamaya Paramatmane Prayunje Paratattvaya Venkateshaya Mangalam.
परस्मै ब्रह्मणे पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Next. Akalatattvamashrantamaatmanamanupashyatam. Okay, so here actually we are not supposed to pause, as Akalatattvamashranta matmanamanupashyatam would be not correct. So I will chant both the lines together itself. We will chant slowly, you will get it. I will read out first initially and then we will chant. Akalatattvamashrantamaatmanamanupashyatam. Once again, Akalatattvamashrantamaatmanamanupashyatam. Atriptyamrita Rupaya. Please note this. Atriptyamrita. Here you have P and T here. If you're looking at diacriticals here, P, T and Ya. So Atriptyamrita, every letter should be heard clearly. Atriptyamrita Rupaya. And yesterday also we learned Tr, Mr, that is how you pronounce that. Atriptyamrita Rupaya Venkateshaya Mangalam. आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम्
आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम् आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम्
अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Once again, we will repeat half verse itself, then we will move to the full verse. आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम्
आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम् आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम्
अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Now the entire verse. आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम् अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम् अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Next verse. प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसाम्
प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसाम् प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसाम्
शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना
शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना
कृपया दिशते
कृपया दिशते कृपया दिशते
श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना कृपया दिशते श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्. So we chant श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय together. प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना
प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना
कृपया दिशते श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
कृपया दिशते श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् कृपया दिशते श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Now the entire verse. प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना कृपया दिशते श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
प्रायस्व चरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना कृपया दिशते श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्।
उत्तमम्। दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव
दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव
शीतलैः
शीतलैः शीतलैः
अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वम्
अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वम् अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वम्
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्।
दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः. Here दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव. We chant it together without a pause. शीतलैः. Here please note apangaiः sinchate. So apangaiः visarga followed by sa. We get visarga sakara sandhi. So apangais sinchate. Instead of the visarga, apangais sinchate vishvam venkateshaya mangalam. दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः
दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः
अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वं वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वं वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वं वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्।
Now the entire verse. दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वं वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वं वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्।
Here please note amrita, the pronunciation dayamrita. Please don't say amritam. It is not amritam, it is amritam. So dayamrita, that amrita word should be pronounced correctly. We move to the next one. स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनाम्
स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनाम् स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनाम्
सुषमावहमूर्तये
सुषमावहमूर्तये सुषमावहमूर्तये
सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु
सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्।
स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनाम्. Bhu is Mahaprana here. स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनाम् सुषमावहमूर्तये सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्. स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनां सुषमावहमूर्तये
स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनां सुषमावहमूर्तये स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनां सुषमावहमूर्तये
सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Now the entire verse. Bhu should be very clearly chanted. Remember the Ghosha concept also. So Bhu with that forceful exhalation. Sragbhushambarhetinam sushamavahamurtaye sarvartishamanayastu venkateshaya mangalam.
स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनां सुषमावहमूर्तये.
Could you chant the bhu clearly, more clearly? That would be better.
स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनां सुषमावहमूर्तये सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Next verse. श्रीवैकुण्ठविरक्ताय
श्रीवैकुण्ठविरक्ताय श्रीवैकुण्ठविरक्ताय
स्वामी पुष्करिणीतटे
स्वामी पुष्करिणीतटे स्वामी पुष्करिणीतटे
रमया रममाणाय
रमया रममाणाय रमया रममाणाय
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्
वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
So Shri Vaikuntha, this na here, please note, Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini na, you twist your tongue more. Please remember, Swami Pushkarini Tate Ramaya Ramamanaya. Again na here, na. It's not na is different. That differentiation should be very clear, like we discussed while some of you were chanting individually also yesterday. Ramaya Ramamanaya Venkateshaya Mangalam. Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini Tate
Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini Tate Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini Tate
Ramaya Ramamanaya Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Ramaya Ramamanaya Venkateshaya Mangalam. Ramaya Ramamanaya Venkateshaya Mangalam.
So the first line, second line, you could either take a pause, Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya, you could pause there, Swami Pushkarini Tate, or you could chant Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini Tate. Both are right. So like Soumya Bhagini also was telling you, sometimes you have even in competitions or assessment, you can say whether you want to chant full both padas together or you want to chant pada by pada. So if you chant pada by pada, Then where a split is allowed, like in some words a split is not allowed, like you saw there, you have no choice. But where it is allowed, you can choose to take a pause after Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya. If you don't want, you could just chant the entire line together. Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini Tate Ramaya Ramamanaya Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini Tate Ramaya Ramamanaya Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Shrimat Sundara Jamatru
Shrimat Sundara Jamatru Shrimat Sundara Jamatru
Munimanasavasine
Munimanasavasine Munimanasavasine
Sarvaloka Nivasaya
Sarvaloka Nivasaya Sarvaloka Nivasaya
Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Srinivasaya Mangalam Srinivasaya Mangalam.
So here we don't have a choice here. Srimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine. When there is a hyphen, that is just indicative to indicate that that both the padas, both the quarters should be chanted together. We don't split this entire one. Srimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine is one word. Of course, it has many words in it. It is one compound word, Samastapadam. So we don't split there. This hyphen, we are denoting it because we have shown you pada by pada, that is quarter by quarter we have shown you on screen. Whereas if you're going to write the verse, the entire line together, Srimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine, if you're going to write it in one line, then the hyphen is not required. We just write it as one word. Shrimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine
Shrimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine Shrimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine
Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Now the entire verse. Shrimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Shrimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Tamam. So there's a question, how do you pronounce Jamatru? Like I am pronouncing it, Jamatru. So Matru, Pitru, all those words, this is Tru. So T plus R. So in the Swara chart, if you remember the first 2 days we learned A, I, U, R. That is the R here. So that T plus this Swara R gives you this Gunitaksharam. Tr, Matr. That's how it is pronounced. Shrimat Sundara Jamatra Munimanasa Vasine. I hope that's clear. We don't say through. It is not Tara and U. U is a different Swara. This is R. So I hope like Kripa, that way. Krishnaha, that way. I hope that's clear. Now we move to the next verse. मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः. So if we want to split that, that would be Mangalashasanaparaihi Madacharya Purogamaihi. That way also you could chant Mangalashasanaparaihi Madacharya Purogamaihi. But it is better to chant it as, together without a pause. Mangalashasanaparaiर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः.
मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः
सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः
सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः
सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्
सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम् सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्
Mangalashasanaparaiर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः. Please note all the R's there. Mangalashasanaparaiर्मदाचार्य, R and R again, पुरोगमैः. So Mangalashasanaparaiर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः. Sarvaishcha, shcha, please note that it is not scha, not sa. Sarvaishcha purvairacharyaih satkృతాయాస్తు mangalam. This also, while chanting, you could combine the sandhi. Instead of the visarga here, you could chant it as purvairacharyai satkృతాయాస్తు. So instead of visarga, we get extra s, visarga sakara sandhi. The visarga is replaced by s. So it becomes sarvaishcha purvairacharyai satkృతాయాస్తు mangalam. So when you are not splitting, it is compulsory to chant that s. If you are splitting, you could chant the visarga completely. Otherwise, that extra s should be heard. Sarvaishcha purvairacharyai satkృతాయాస్తు mangalam. Now we will learn both lines together, two padas together by combining the sandhi. Mangalashasanaparaiर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः
मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः
सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्
सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम् सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्.
Now the entire verse. Mangalashasanaparaiर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्.
मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्.
We will repeat this again, the entire verse. Mangalashasanaparaiर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्.
मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्.
Vibha, I know you're chanting it, but just for the benefit of our listeners, could you chant Purvairacharyai Satkృతాయాస్తు? That sir, that extra sir, when you combine the sandhi, it should be heard more distinctly, more clearly. So I will chant again, then you could repeat. Mangalasasana parairmadacharya purogamaihi सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्.
मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्यपुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्.
Tamam. So we have completed Mangala Shasanam also. 14 verses of Mangala Shasanam. And Acharya, the word is pronounced as we are pronouncing it. There is no extra ch there. Madacharya Purogamaihi Purvairacharyehi. Acharya, all of you know the word Acharya. It is just pronounced in that way. Extra cha is not there. Acharya, that's it. There's a question regarding that, so I had to clarify. Okay, Srinivasa Gadyam, we have received many requests. We will consider all your requests of many more courses to go. Yes, line 13, Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. That stress before sh is necessary. If you are chanting together, if you are taking a pause, you could just chant Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. That is also okay. Tomorrow, I am going to chant entire Mangala Shasanam, and then we will have individual chanting. Also, today, Shri Stuti Aditya Hridayam, yes, many requests. Request you all to please, whatever requests you have, please send an email, not just to me, but also to sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. So you see this email ID on the screen. Please send an email to that, because then the entire team will be able to see it, and the admin will also be able to make a note of all the requests. So any such questions, you could please send an email, and we can see what more courses we could offer in future. So tomorrow I am going to chant entire Mangala Shasanam followed by individual chanting. So like I said, one important announcement. 30th, we are going to have a concluding session with a special guest who is going to address all of us. We'll have a small program. So request all of you to please attend the last session. Invite anyone else also who you think might be interested. It would be on YouTube Live and of course on Zoom also. And let us conclude on 30th. Before that, we will use the time we have for revision, individual chanting, etc. And the timing also on 30th might be slightly later, might be around 6 a.m. So instead of 5:45, we might be starting around 6. Exact timing and schedule, I will send it to you. But please remember this. I will send you an email also. But please do remember that 30th is the concluding session, what we call as Samarpanam. So it is an offering to Bhagavan. This is a seva which we all have undertaken. So on that day, we will be concluding this webinar, but of course the chanting, our practice and Nitya Parayanam will go on. And assessments will be in the 3rd week or 4th week of July. So please start practicing. As usual, 2 categories, that is complete Parayanam, that is reading assessment, or memorization. And each one can participate only in one category. So please start practicing. Recording we will upload, just the audio recording we will upload, but all the recordings so far are available on YouTube, so you could please listen to that. The stotram we have revised today, so that would also be uploaded. Mangalam I will be revising tomorrow. Do we get a completion certificate for this course? Just by attending, there are no participation certificates in Vyoma, but whoever takes part in the assessment and gets a minimum percentage of around 60% or so, only those participants will be given a course completion certificate. So there is no participation certificate as such. Only those who take part in the assessment and get above 60% will be given a certificate. Playlist of sessions, I think it is already done on YouTube. 4 parts and 4 recordings is what we are thinking, but first it will be a YouTube recording. So the videos itself, we are going to have it in 4 different parts and they're going to be uploaded. The audio will take some time, and of course we will also have the karaoke version of YouTube like we have for Geeta and Vyoma. We are working on that also. So we are going to have that with chanting and the letters visible on the screen. So it would take some time for us to work on that. Thank you all so much. It was a wonderful course. Of course, we still have a few more days to go. 30th would be the concluding session. We have to end here today because there is another class starting on the same meeting ID in another 5 to 10 minutes. So let us conclude with Shanti Mantraha and meet you tomorrow. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. धन्यवादाः. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you to our panelists, Shivani and Vibha, who have been with us on every single day of this yajna. Thank you so much, both of you. You have helped a lot with the Anucharanam. We will meet tomorrow at the same time, 5:45 a.m. IST. Dhanyavadaha.